Welcome guys, this for September 25th 2007. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna look at what made Cisco Systems CSCO such a powerful stock in the 90s, and this is a all-time monthly chart for Cisco. I'm gonna go back and drill down on a breakout that happened sometime in early 1995. We see that the stock went on and moved to new highs as depicted by the blue line here. So the stock moves to new highs and follows through on its monthly action. And then we also see that volume was very heavy. It actually follows through on heavy volume. We see that at the time when the stock broke out, that the RSI right here moves above 68. We also see that the unbalanced volume made a push to all-time highs, and the unbalanced volume can be looked at as cash flow into a stock. And we see the stock performance against the broader S&P 500 index. We see that move to new highs also. So that was what was going on the technical side of things. And we see that given that powerful breakout, Cisco managed to ride the wave of technology bubble and move from just on a split adjusted basis from just under $3 in that region all the way to $80 in the early part of 2000. So we see that when a stock breaks out, certain things have to be in line, and this is what we always want to look at. We want to make sure that there is volume participation. We want to see that the RSI is moving above 68, and we also want to make sure that the cash flow and the stocks performance against the broader market is at a new high. So that is what sets up a momentum play. And now next we go and look at what's happening right now, and a stock that I'm looking at is TRA, and this has already broken out. The buy point was at 2880, and we are hoping for a follow through on this stock. There seems to be some momentum in the stock. If it can find a way to close above positive for this week and preferably keep rolling, we are going to use 2880 as our stop should the stock crack these levels on a retest. We are seeing that we had a high volume breakout last week, which is what we want to see. The RSI already moved above 68. We need this unbalanced volume to move to new highs, and we already see that the comparative performance against the S&P 500 is already at a new high, and we see that we are getting another push from an MACD indicator as it crosses over right here. So watch TRA in case it has some more legs down the road. Also, another one that you might watch as a public stock to watch, it's a DNEX. Again, this is a 2-year weekly chart, and the stock broke out 3 weeks ago above buy point at 73.80 on a weekly chart, and this again becomes a support level on a retest. Hopefully the stock will keep rallying even after a short consolidation period around this level here. We might get a consolidation period, so it's something to watch for. We might have a consolidation here before we move to new highs. That might be what might play out. We'll see how it goes. In any case, we see that volume on the breakout and the follow through was on above average volume, which is very good. We see that the RSI was above 68. Unbalanced volume was already at a new high. performance. Again, it's the S&P 500 at a new high, and then we also see that the MACD was crossing over, so it has the makings of a winner. We'll see how it turns out. Always use stops when you're trading stocks. That's the way to go. If you're looking for a set of ideas for stocks that have yet to break out, you might always join us to see what we have on our stocks to watch page. This is Eric Mother with Mother.com, wishing you all the best. Peace and blessings to you as always.